Alright, this is Isekai devlog number 8. There has been a slight delay since in releasing this one. It's been life, game jams, and side projects got in the way. Uh, I'll tell you more about those at the end of the video, but this is the progress I've made since. It is slight. I started adding lighting to the castle to fill it out, as well as these portraits. Each portrait is different. I will have to go back and make some changes to it. They're a little too bright right now, or too reflective right now. So I'm going to decrease that, the specularity of those portraits. But I'm just going to give you a short walk around and show you the changes I've made. Um, so yeah, very simple torches and just simple picture frames right now. Don't know what much to do for this hallway. I added a red carpet to the stairs, as well as a lot of these stairs now do have the plane on there so you can walk up them. So this one here, I can walk up here and walk along this balcony, as well as up here. But I've opened this door, and I've lit this place up, and I've added the king on his throne. This is a custom character. He's not randomized every game. He is the same every game. So he is a core character to the game. He will remain the same. I'll briefly show you the kitchen and dining hall. Not much has changed there yet. I still have to finish this out. A lot of the project's been delayed by other factors. Here is the kitchen area, still unlit, still empty. Have to work on figuring out how to stop the lighting from the opposite room from bleeding through to this one. Might just be simple enough as just putting a plane in there, in the wall. Have to see about that. Here is the dining hall. A lot brighter now. I'm using spotlights a lot to light this. I was going to use point lights because of Unity's 2021 release has real-time point lights. But those, once you use those in large enough numbers, they really slowed my game down. I have millions of vertices, but that doesn't stop it, but a few lights do. So coming over here, I'm going to show you another additional feature to this castle. I've added a separate room. So down these stairs, you'll find the castle dungeon or prison. And I've adjusted some of these characters. So these are now using a bandit script. So it's basically the same as the random character generator, but it makes the clothing darker to distinguish them as bandits or criminals. And these are the dwarves. This is a human. And over here in this section is a bunch of elves, and that's going to display the other change I've added, which I adjusted the script for the generating elves so that their hair comes out generally lighter than everyone else. And that results in some characters, like this character right here, having green hair, which is one possibility I wanted to include. And let's see. These stairs do have that plane allowing you to climb them up. Not all the stairs have got this yet. I have not included in the tower. But yeah, it makes it a lot easier to climb. One issue I'm going to be working on in the future, and you've seen it just then, was the camera. Clips through things, and it's very easy to clip for the camera, and right now clip through the environment with the camera. I'm going to work on the camera controller a bit, try and get that more robust, and I'm probably going to have to redo the character controller and get this more uh, because if I walk here, I pass through walls a little too easily in certain areas. I'll have to work on that. Yeah, so it's a little too easy to clip through walls and just pass through them. I'll have to work on the character controller and try and limit that and try and get better physics. Yeah, it's just too easy to walk through walls right now. I'm going to have to go through and fix this. Yeah, that is about the as much as I have for this project and this devlog at the moment. Now, I mentioned what some of the delays were, and so I'll pause the video before you can come back in a second. All right, so the reason for the delays as of on this release was that the development of these two games right here, Medieval World Builder, which is using the assets from the Isekai game, and it's allowing you to just go through the building process that I'm going through and build your own world in the game. Uh, you can check it out. I'll put the link in the description for this. The other thing that's been causing delay is my participation in the game jam and creating Starfall Melody. The voting for this game for the game jam, the Mini Jam 107 Music Squared is still ongoing. I'd be grateful if you would go in and rate this game. But that is the reason for the delay. I have put videos for both these posts on my channel. You can check them out. You can check out the link in the description. Check out the games themselves. Um, that has been it for this devlog. I'll see you when I release the next one. Goodbye.